We're here in Manila with the great legendary champion Manny Pacquiao, Sean Gibbons, and Manny is announcing the creation of the memorial for the 50th anniversary of Ali Frazier, the Thrill in Manila.
That was 50 years ago.
So next October 1st, 2025, many surprises to come. And we will fully support all your efforts.
It's going to be a big event.
Mga kakwento, may mga patuloy na pag-uusap na kinasasangkutan ng mga stakeholders ng sport, partikular na mula sa top rank at Pilipinas at pati na rin ang WBC President na si Mauricio Sulaiman at isama mo na itong si Sean Gibbons at si Manny Pacquiao at ugong-ugong na ng rematch na ni Suarez at Navarrete ay kabilang sa gaganapin na ika-50